Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, we have seen some very good turnarounds. What I mean is at the start of the day, some tokens were in green, some were in red, but now the majority has flipped into the green side, and Doge is actually leading the chart by quite a margin. Especially if we talk about the trading volume, it is sitting over 1.5 billion. At the same time, Doge creator breaks his silence on the big Dogecoin announcement that was done by Tesla. Doge confirms the new micro uptrend that will send Doge to 30 cents by the end of this month, and Jack has left blue sky for Elon Musk's X. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just have the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Let's increase the social engagement. I realized that recently we are starting to show a lot of positive market. Now I do want to mention something important when it comes to Dogecoin specifically. Right now the price is sitting at 15.8 cents, and especially you can see when I just started recording the video, we have seen a little bit of a sell-off. Now this sell-off just needs to make sure it does not fall too short to the previous support that we tested, and making sure that we stay in this consolidation phase. Now just before the sell-off, you can see we did make a little bit of rally that actually pushed us to the resistance close to 17 cents. Now this is going to be a really important time frame. Why am I talking about this important time frame? Because you can see that some people who actually started buying around this phase actually don't want to hold too long, and that's why this is the sell-off that's occurring. Now if this sell-off becomes way too big, what's going to happen is some traders are also going to start getting liquidated and the price will crash really hard. Now we do not want to see that, and also I want to mention that's not only for Dogecoin but also Bitcoin has pretty much stumbled from 65k all the way down to 63.5k. So it's the whole market that's taking a little bit of a pullback, but we just need to make sure that we're able to ride this wave and make sure that we keep climbing. Now let's talk about this. This is a really interesting take. When big announcement for Dogecoin, and Billy, who's the co-creator of Dogecoin, not from me, as I haven't been involved in the project in 10 years. Now why is this a big deal? Because you guys need to understand, Billy did create this token. He is one of the devs, but after that he gave it up to the community to run it, and at the same time now there is a big team that runs the whole token, but Billy is no longer part of it. So this is sort of breaking his silence, and he's still holding Dogecoin for the long run. At the same time, the new micro trend which is forming, as you can see, the only way this can be broken is if it falls below the 14-cent mark. We do not want to see that again. If we do break below the 14-cent mark, then we will not be making it to the 50-cent zone that all of us are waiting for. Now keep in mind, right now the market is still in a really positive trend. There are so many big things yet to happen, especially before the end of May. If we get some sort of announcement from X payments after Tesla, let's just say Doge is going to be leading the chart and helping the whole market shape and make sure it climbs quickly. Now Jack Dorsey, if you guys don't know, he was part of X before our boy Elon decided to purchase it, but he is the co-founder of Twitter and stepped down from the board of Blue Skies, a decentralized social media platform he campaigned after selling Twitter to Elon Musk. This move signals a potential shift for focus and possibly relation with Musk. Dorsey announced his departure on X itself. The platform was once Twitter, promoting his new incentive funding open interest protocol, Freedom Technology. But if he does decide to make a return to X, that's going to be a really positive win for our boy Elon, and at the same time it's going to be a really positive for Dogecoin, because Dorsey is a really big supporter of Doge as well. Now open interest has dipped by a little bit, but it's still sitting at pretty much the same zone that we noticed, which is 750 million. Now the liquidations are going to be a little bit on the favor of the sellers, because you can see the longs have lost about $3.6 million in the last 24 hours. Now Doge is fun. Now you guys can see, funny dog to make life worthwhile. Now Chinese experts confirm Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are not completely banned. Now, this is a really big thing that's been happening since 2017. There's going to be some sort of news that will come out of China that will say we have banned cryptocurrency, and that's going to cause the market to dip. But it's very clear that it's not banned. They're just trying to rotate the market money, and that's going to be the time when you need to stop panicking. Chinese legal experts have recently discussed the legal status of Bitcoin and other crypto in the country. The Chinese government banned the trading and exchange of cryptos in 2021, but the economic argued that this ban does not cover all types of crypto transaction. Experts stating that Bitcoin is not a piece of data on the internet that can be just taken off. Although the visual currencies are not recognized as a currency in the country, their properties as property are not denied. They're still getting transferred and the transactions are still occurring. Now, Dogecoin is not pumping because Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is still holding on to its price while Doge was going up. So Doge can be making the rules and making the new charges. And this is the thing that people are still posting about. Round 2, we're buying Bitcoin. We're buying pizza with Dogecoin, which is a big deal. Now, Dogecoin is money. This was posted by the Dogecoin wallet today, and I just really like the way it was posted. And the funny dog meme, as I mentioned. Now, 2024 is all about meme coins, according to an analyst who predicted 2020 was going to be about DeFi. Now, meme coins are going to be the driving factor, and if meme coins keep climbing, we need to make sure that you position yourself properly and make sure you have the right ones. Dogecoin could be on the road for a long-term bullish rally, but we need to make sure that that bullish rally does not break out and make below the previous demand zone. If it breaks below the previous demand zone, that's going to be a really negative impact on the overall market, not just Dogecoin. Dogecoin skyrockets, the bullish surge, the Bitcoin price bounces back, May 6 crypto market highlights. The crypto market is actually doing really positive right now. Yes, I understand the last 2 to 3 hours have been a little skeptical, but overall the market is still in a positive trend. Keep in mind the people who bought at the bottom are most likely going to be taking profits. So you need to make sure that you're on the right track and you actually hold while people are taking profits, because after the profit taking is done, new people are going to hop on board. They're going to try to buy the dip, DCA down, and that's going to be the time when the market starts climbing. Ripple versus SEC project timeline for the settlement in the final ruling. Now keep in mind, if this final ruling goes onto the side of SEC, it's going to be a little bad for the crypto market, but if it goes on XRP side, it's going to actually pump up the whole market. Bitcoin enters a key buying zone and the price rally to 70k could be very soon. Now, as I mentioned, Doge is sitting at a really good support frame. We need to make it above the 17.5, and if we break quickly above that, 20 cents is going to be the next stop. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, if you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.